Ukulungiswa kwesiphehlimanzi i-Hartebeespoort akumayelana nje nokuhlinzeka ngamanzi kuphela kepha nokuphepha komphakathi.
The beauty of this maintenance and changing of the valves is that next time when we do maintenance, the community might not even feel it, because in some areas we're putting two parallel pipelines to ensure that we switch from one pipeline to another without disturbing the flow of water.
Umkhandlu udolobha waseTshwane uthi uyazi ngezinye izinselele zamanzi ikakhulukazi eHammanskraal.
She spoke at length that there's a process that is going to be embarked by the city of flushing the entire system. Then, during the period of the week, within the week, some elements go and try to block the officials of the city to do their work. That's the criminal element I'm speaking about.
Ungqongqoshe ubaqaphele nabezinkampani zamathangi athutha amanzi abafuna ngenkani umsebenzi.
2 weeks ago, I saw new water tankers that have been bought. People now are in the business of getting this water tankering. Municipality must be able to say, this is enough now. If we are going to use water tankering, it must be for emergency.
Umnyango uthi ukulungisa kweziphehlimanzi kumele kwenziwe njalo ukuqinisekisa ukuhlinzeka ngamanzi okusheshayo.